In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hyperlink in Smartsheet efficiently and effectively. Whether you're working on a project plan, budget tracker, or any collaborative sheet in Smartsheet, dealing with hyperlinks can be a bit tricky. Maybe you're pasting information and those embedded links are not necessary, or perhaps they're simply distracting you or your team from focusing on the content itself. Whatever the case, I'll guide you through the process of stripping those hyperlinks from your cells with just a few simple actions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the cell in Smartsheet that contains the hyperlink you wish to remove. Once you've located this cell, your first step is to copy the contents. You can do this easily by clicking on the cell and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. This command will copy whatever is present in the cell, including the hyperlink itself. Now, with the cell content copied, the next step doesn't involve moving to a different cell. Instead, we'll work right within that same cell. Go ahead and right-click on it. Doing so will bring up a contextual menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select the Paste Special option. Once you navigate over this choice, you'll see another sub-menu that appears. Here, you need to click on Values. By selecting Paste Special and then Values, you're effectively telling Smartsheet to overwrite the existing formatted data, complete with links, formulas, and any other formatting, with the plain text you copied earlier. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the hyperlink from your Smartsheet cell, leaving you with just the plain text value. This method prioritizes simplicity and speed, ensuring you can remove links without disrupting your workflow. Use it whenever you encounter hyperlinks that you'd prefer not to have as part of your data. As we wrap up, let's consider a few extra tips. If you're working with multiple cells that all require the removal of hyperlinks, you can apply these steps across the selected range. Just copy the entire selection and use Paste Special Values as we discussed. And remember, while Smartsheet's interface is intuitive, practicing these techniques a few times will help solidify them in your routine, making future tasks even quicker. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that it aids in keeping your spreadsheets clean and focused. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks for working smarter, not harder, in Smartsheet and beyond. Have a great day and happy organizing.